They're 10 feet deep. I don't know if I want to have a room slash showroom with cabinetry inside, because that's the thing for the other ones. They're going to be offices slash showroom pieces. I might want to have them 20 feet deep. So that means double. Midsummer, 6 of them in total, so 5 more, or 11 more. We'll see. It looks like it's working. And you see, Mike, you were saying that no, it's not gonna work. No, you guys are fools for trying this. Oh no, you shouldn't try it. Look at this fit. Look at this fit. We done did it. Throwback. If you know, you know. Whoops. One more thing to take into account. Now, we're gonna put Mike into a corner now. Ooh. Fits like a glove. Mike is all guts and glory. Because now we can hold it with the forklift and we just drop it in the cutouts. Because the first two, we had to do it by lifting the actual cross member into the cutout of the rib. What? See, there's a multifaceted problem now. Because when I leave it down, it presses on the cross members. See? That's the problem. Up, 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 up. So, but you see, it's way too high because it doesn't go in the groove. It should go right in the groove. It's trickier, as always. A little bit trickier than envisioned. There you go. Now we're building an extra set of hands to hold the cross member. There you go. But now because I need to take it off the forks. Is he gonna make it? There we go. Let's see. Okay. Whoa! Guillermo, have you done this before? That's a tight fit. Damn. No? Very good. The whole, whatever, let's call it box, can move front to back. So it's not gonna sway right to left because there's so many pieces interlocked, glued and screwed together, but all 8 ribs being held only by 2 cross members at the top and being so heavy and tall, they sway back and forth. So now putting the cross members will lock the ribs, therefore not allowing them to move anymore. So it's gonna become a lot more rigid. It's gonna be a super, super rigid structure once we have all 16 cross members. So we gotta do what I did there. We're gonna have to do it 15 more times. Actually, no, we have 2 at the top already, so 13 more times. So 13, 8 joints in each. A lot of fun.